Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. DIY oil, which I need to fill it up some more. But I need to take all of them, all the twist out of my head to be able to split my hair down the middle evenly. I did take my nails off because I was planning on French braiding my hair, but I don't know what I want to do. This is the part where I'm just like, what do I do? Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna just leave it with this leave-in conditioner in it and probably put my plastic bag back on to let it deep condition a little bit longer, and then maybe in 2 weeks I will wash my hair again, blow dry it, and then try the zigzag twist then. But this is going to be an end result for now, and I really enjoy and appreciate you guys watching and subscribing. I will come pop back in here and show you guys what I do to my hair at the end. So just stay tuned for like another 20 seconds just to see what I end up doing to my hair. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Okay. I am going to put my hair rag on and go sit under my hooded dryer. But this is the end result. I'm probably gonna have my hair like this for about 2 weeks, and I'm done. But I am gonna put my hair rag on just to help with the flyaways. I didn't use any extra products. I just used that leave-in conditioner. I did squeeze some of the product out of my hair so it don't dry white, and I tried to make sure I massaged the top of my hair down as much as I could. This is how much hair I lost with the detangle after I deconditioned. But yeah, you guys, I'm done. I really like doing this style, especially after I get done with a, what do you call it, like with a long-term protective style and I haven't wet my hair. I don't necessarily like to go in and try to manipulate my hair too much. So I'm going to give it a break, and I'm probably going to be like this probably for 2 weeks. And then I'll do something else with it. So, bye! I forgot to show you guys. It is now 12:46 and I'm completely done with my head. So, I think I started at 9 something maybe, but I'm done with my head. I got my hair rag on. I got a shower cap on just so that my hair don't get super drenched, but I'm gonna go sit under the dryer now. So